Hello, my name's Richard and welcome to Rick's Automotive. Please enjoy a short video of one of our fully prepared used cars. Thanks for watching. This is our stunning Mercedes 2015 GLA 200. It's the AMG Premium Line Plus with the night package. It's a Mercedes demo plus one private owner, only covered 21,000 miles with full Mercedes service history. We've just had the car MOT, we've fitted 4 brand new premium tyres to the car. As you can see, it's in the white, it's got the night package, so it does have the LED daytime running lights on the front, LED rear lights, black mirrors, it's got the 19-inch bi-colour alloy wheels, which are all in superb order, and it does have the rear privacy glass. This has also got loads of extra specification. It's got the exclusive package, so it does have full premium Napa leather rather than standard Alcantara and leather. It's got the leather dashboard, it's also got electric memory seats for the driver and the passenger. It's got front and rear parking sensors and a parking camera. It also benefits from the electric folding mirror option and also the built-in satellite navigation. It's got heated seats, it's got Bluetooth music streaming, Bluetooth phone preparation, a USB audio interface. It's in absolutely stunning condition. And as I said, it's got the exclusive package that does have the Napa leather sport seats as an extra and the leathered up dashboard. You can hopefully see, if we look inside, you'll see the dashboard there and the full leather seats as well. It's got cruise control, it's got the paddle shifting for the gears as well. Bi-xenon headlights with LED running lights. Superb looking alloy wheels, unmarked all the way around, and as I've said previously, it does have the 4 brand new tyres. There you can see the bi-xenon headlights on it. This car does benefit from a 2-year premium RAC warranty included, Platinum Plus warranty, and a year's RAC membership.